Alright guys, welcome back for the Tuesday directions video. I kind of updated our Google Classroom a little bit. Nothing too crazy. I just added this weekly direction video piece right underneath today's work. Normally I just delete the videos every morning when I make a new one. But now I think I'm just going to throw them into the weekly directions video. So every week you'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday directions videos here. So if you're gone, you know where to go to find the directions and how to do the assignments to make sure you got it down pat. All right, yesterday we kind of wrapped up the New Kingdom for the most part. One of the things we talked about was the Battle of Kadesh. You can spell with a K, you can spell with a Q. And we talked about the Battle of Kadesh. It was on our board too as one of the essential questions that we had to know. And it was the Battle of Kadesh, first battle ever recorded. So there's actual, tactics and formations and numbers. It's the first battle we actually know like the whole story on. So that's why it's important, and we want to know why it was fought, and we know it was fought over trade routes, fought over money. And today you're just going to be able to kind of see what it looked like. So you're just going to watch this Decisive Battles video, like I said yesterday. It's pretty old now. Like the graphics are atrocious, but the information's all 100% correct, and I like the narration and kind of the story he tells because he does a good job of it. So, and obviously we can kind of just laugh about the graphics nowadays. So you have that. Here's your Battles BC video guide that goes with it. It's only 20 questions. And again now, my juniors who are supposed to be, technology savvy are having trouble with technology. So here's what you do. Okay, guys, a couple ways you can answer. So this is the actual master copy here, as you can see. So what you're going to do is you could just have a Google Doc out, and you could just, let me see here, Docs, real quick. Let me just bring a blank one up here so I can show you what we're looking at. So there's a few ways that you can actually get your answers down. So how many questions are in this thing? 12. Okay, so honestly, if you wanted to, you could just make a blank Google Doc, Battle of Kadesh video guide. And then there's 12 questions. You could get fancy if you wanted to, boom, bam. And there's 12 questions, so just get your 12 questions out, blah, blah, blah. And then, obviously, they're just fill in the blank, or true, false, all right? So just fill in the blank and just write your answer right here. And that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is to make the master copies, to make the master copy your copy. So to do that, you just go over here, click File, make a copy. Yep, sure, copy of Battles BC, sounds good. Boom, and now I have the exact worksheet, but now it's mine, so I could actually put my name on it. I can, if you wanted to, you could just erase that and type your answer there or whatever. A million different ways that you could do it. All right, so just keep that in mind when you're turning stuff in or making docs. It's pretty simple. A lot of people keep on requesting to have access to this doc. I cannot give you that because this is the master copy, so you have to file and make your own copy if you want to write right on the sheet. But that's pretty much it, people. Battle of Kadesh and Battle of Kadesh video guide today. So make sure you get that taken care of. It's only 20 minutes long. A lot of you guys have missing assignments out there, especially in 4th hour, so make sure that you're going back and doing your job. End of the trimester is 5-6 weeks away, which means the late assignment deadline is going to be in 3 weeks. So, time is slowly but pretty quickly evaporating on us here. So, good luck watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys kind of laugh at the graphics. The content's spot on, and it's a pretty interesting battle. So, good luck today, guys. I'll see everybody who's at home tomorrow.